Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kynhun Myntri jangka Sarkar Jilla haga khandai trik unailar ajar posau. Mynjur Yaka Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill ajar posau haga bayakarta jong chairman lakin tiu na 100% nem shakanyo post nem. Haga diga jingalang Kynhun Myntri Mynjuru yaka benami transaction prohibition rules ajar posau bakinu kibru kelaban pha yaka jing ujor shaki deputy commissioner. Nalokini Kynhun Myntri Mynjuru yaka Meghalaya Subordinate Water Resources Engineering Service Rule ajar posau ka Meghalaya Public School Service Rule ajar posau.
The Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024, where the chairman's age has been increased from 65 to 70 years. The second, the Meghalaya Benami Transaction Prohibition Rules 2024 has been approved by the cabinet, where the rules have been approved and every complaints will be received by the DC. That's all. And number 3, the cabinet has approved also the Meghalaya Subordinate Water Resources Engineering Service Rule 2024. And number 4, the Meghalaya Public School Service Rule 2024 has been approved by the cabinet. So where all the 3 public schools is included, the Silong, Tura and Dazuwai. And number 5, the amendments of impose regulation for the secondary school living certificate examination 2011 has been approved. Yeah. That's all. Now this is only the things is like in the farmer as I have said, the Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024, where only the age of chairman from 65 to 70 has been approved. That's all. And in the Benami Act, there may be any complaint for any issues that they can at the DC of the concerned district will be the authority to receive. And but mostly number 5 and 6, like there was no service rule for the teachers and the principals working in Meghalaya public schools and the different public schools of the state. Now we have approved.